I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select an action. Zoho Campaigns. Give here the data center name. My data center is zoho.com. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So, please visit the Zoho API console. Add client. Server-based applications. Give here a meaningful client name. Give here the homepage URL and redirect URIs. So copy it from here and paste it here. Create. Copy the client ID and the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Accept it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Zoho Campaigns site. And you can see the data came successfully in the Zoho Campaigns. Thanks for watching.